Hello students. Today I am going to explain you the topic revolution. The earth rotates on its own axis and also revolves around the sun. The movement of the earth around the sun on an imaginary path is called revolution. The imaginary path is called orbit. The orbit of the earth is oval or egg-shaped or elliptical in shape. Due to the non-circular orbit of the earth around the sun, its distance from the sun is not the same throughout the year. The earth revolves around the sun at the speed of approximately 1780 km per hour. With this speed, it takes 365 days for the earth to complete one revolution. This period is known as a year. Different seasons occur on the earth due to the revolution of the earth. The tilt of the earth on its axis results into different seasons. It also results into long days and short nights or vice versa. The earth makes angle on its axis at 23.5 degree and on its orbit at 66.5 degree. Children, you can see the diagram on page 9, revolution of earth. You can see the moon revolves around the earth and the earth revolves around the sun. Children, you can also see on page 9 the diagram of equal day night. Children, remember things to know on page 10. The line that separates the lighter from the darker half of the earth and joins the two poles is called the circle of illumination. We can also say Prakash Vartul. Children, now let me explain you the next topic. Varying length of day and night. The rays of the sun falls vertically on the Tropic of Cancer on 21st June and on the Tropic of Capricorn on 22nd December. Wherever the rays fall vertically, days are longer. Wherever they are slanting, days are shorter. The two tropics are in the opposite hemisphere. Thus, seasons in the northern and the southern hemisphere are opposite. Now children, look at the diagram on page number 10, varying length of days and nights. Children, some questions are based on this diagram. Question number 1, how long would a day be on the Tropic of Cancer on 21st June? Answer, it will be a long day of about 14 hours on 21st June on the Tropic of Cancer. Question number 2. Which season do the places on the Tropic of Cancer experience? Answer, Tropic of Cancer will mostly experience summer season. Question number 3. What would be the duration of day and night? Answer is, the day will be long while the night will be short. Question number 4. What will occur on the Tropic of Capricorn on 22nd December? Answer, Tropic of Capricorn will experience a long day and summer season on 22nd December. Question number 5. How long would a day be on the Tropic of Capricorn on 22nd December? Answer, Tropic of Capricorn will experience about 14 hours of daylight on 22nd December. Children, now in my next video, I will explain you the further topic. Thank you.